A baby's journey begins with something unbelievably small, a single sperm cell. Inside the male body, the testicles constantly produce millions of sperm through a process called spermatogenesis. Each sperm carries half of the genetic information required to create a new human life. These sperm mature and are stored until ejaculation, when they travel through the reproductive ducts and are released into the female reproductive tract. Although millions of sperm begin this journey, only a few hundred survive the harsh environment, and just one will succeed. Inside the female body, the reproductive system works in a carefully timed cycle. Each month, the ovaries prepare and release a mature egg during ovulation. This egg enters the fallopian tube, where it can survive for about 24 hours. If sperm are present during this time, fertilization may occur. After an intense biological race, one sperm penetrates the egg's outer layer. At that exact moment, fertilization takes place, and a brand new cell called a zygote is formed. This single cell already contains the complete genetic blueprint that determines traits such as eye color, height, and even certain personality tendencies. Soon after fertilization, the zygote begins dividing rapidly through a process known as cleavage. The cell divides into 2, then 4, then 8, without increasing in overall size. As these divisions continue, the developing structure travels toward the uterus. Within a few days, it becomes a blastocyst, a hollow ball of cells with a specialized inner cell mass that will eventually become the baby. This stage is crucial for survival, as the blastocyst must successfully attach itself to the uterine wall. Implantation occurs when the blastocyst embeds into the soft lining of the uterus. This marks the true beginning of pregnancy. Once implanted, the developing structure begins communicating with the mother's body through hormonal signals. The placenta soon starts forming, becoming a vital organ that connects mother and baby. Through the placenta and umbilical cord, oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the growing baby, while waste products are safely removed. During the first 8 weeks of pregnancy, the developing baby is called an embryo. This is one of the most critical and delicate stages of human development. In this short time, the foundations of all major organs are established. The heart begins as a simple tube and soon starts beating, pumping blood through the tiny body. The brain and spinal cord form early, laying the groundwork for the entire nervous system. Limb buds appear, and the basic structure of the face begins to take shape. As development continues, the embryo becomes more complex each day. Tiny arms and legs grow longer, fingers and toes separate, and internal organs start organizing into their proper positions. By the end of the 8th week, the embryo already looks recognizably human, even though it is still very small. At week 9, a major milestone is reached. The embryo is now called a fetus. From this point onward, the primary focus shifts from forming organs to growing and strengthening them. Throughout the fetal stage, rapid growth takes place. Bones begin to harden, muscles develop, and the baby starts making small movements. Although the mother may not feel these movements at first, the baby is already active inside the womb. The brain grows at an incredible rate, forming billions of neural connections that will later control movement, thinking, and emotions. The heart continues beating steadily, supplying oxygen-rich blood to every part of the body. As the months pass, the baby's senses begin to develop. Hearing becomes more sensitive, and the baby may respond to sounds from outside the womb. The eyes develop, eyelids open and close, and facial expressions may appear. During the 2nd trimester, many mothers begin to feel the baby move for the first time, a moment that strengthens the emotional bond between mother and child. In the 3rd trimester, the baby focuses on preparation for life outside the womb. The lungs mature, allowing the baby to breathe after birth. Fat layers develop under the skin to help regulate body temperature. The immune system strengthens, receiving antibodies from the mother that will help protect the baby after delivery. The baby also moves into a head-down position, getting ready for birth. When the time is right, a complex combination of hormonal signals triggers labor. The uterus begins contracting rhythmically, gradually guiding the baby toward the birth canal. These contractions become stronger and more frequent as the body prepares for delivery. After months of growth and development, the baby is finally born. With the first breath, The lungs expand, and the newborn begins independent life outside the womb. The umbilical cord is clamped, ending the physical connection to the placenta. Skin-to-skin contact with the mother helps stabilize the baby's breathing, heartbeat, and body temperature. This moment marks the end of an extraordinary journey from a single cell to a living, breathing human being. Human development is one of nature's most remarkable processes, showing how life begins, grows, and enters the world in an incredible and perfectly coordinated way.